You don't live in Korea, but you still want to make kimchi at home. Not living in South Korea doesn't mean that you have to give up with making kimchi at home. We make kimchi today. We don't use daikon radish. Why? Because you say you don't have it at your grocery. And we're not using these fish sauces because you say you don't have it in your grocery. We skip them. What ingredients am I going to replace these guys with? You will see. I didn't mean to make it vegan, but somehow it's also a vegan kimchi too. This is 500 grams and this is also 500 grams. In total, we have 1 kg of napa cabbage. If it's 1 whole cabbage, you have to cut kimchi every time you eat kimchi. You're gonna dice the cabbage into pieces that is easy to eat every time. Look at this color, beautiful. One more reason why we cut it into pieces because it's faster. We're gonna sprinkle the salt after. If it's 1 whole cabbage, it takes way longer time. We're all lazy home chef. We'll wait for 20 minutes and these friends will turn. Now we're gonna make seasoning for kimchi. That is the replacement of daikon radish. This apple is quite small, we're using half of it. This is a Korean pear or Asian pear. Your pear goes like this. You can put more than I do because mine is sweeter. I'm just gonna put 1/4 of this whole pear. If your onion is big, use 1/4. If your onion is small like mine, use the half. 4 garlics and 1 small piece of ginger. 1 cup of gochugaru. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Now we're making thickener. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of flour. It's done, let's cool it down. We're combining thickener and kimchi seasoning. Ew. I'm gonna leave it outside for 2 days. Now you know how to make kimchi. Easy, simple, without daikon radish, fish sauce, done. Cabbage is so expensive these days. Oh my god. We call it kimchi, not kimchi. Kim means gold. It's a gold kimchi because it's too expensive. Green onions are not bad. Wow. 2 pairs, $10, $11. Too much.